How to tie a furoshiki in the style of Tesage Bukuro. Step 1 is to choose your furoshiki. This one is our narcissus print. Step 2 is to lay it flat, printed side down, and make sure you straighten and smooth it out. Next, fold it in half. Take one side and double knot the corners together. The tighter they are, the smaller your bag will be. Repeat on the other side. Now you're ready to fill your bag. This is a great way to tie a furoshiki for a picnic or running errands. Follow along for more furoshiki tying tutorials.